In this video, let's unbox the Samsung pre-order haul. I ordered this from Samsung Philippines online last January 18 and a week later, I received it. She's also very excited. Welcome back to Tea on Things, where we talk all tea and a little bit of shade on tech, trends, travel, and taste. So let's unbox. You know, I've mentioned to you in my previous video that I'm ready to transition from Apple to a non-Apple ecosystem. And this is the culmination of that transition. So if you want to know more about the transition, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and check out my transition video on why I opted to get out of the Apple ecosystem. Hi, Raven. Raven is very excited to unbox too. Oh, ayan. Sige, help me. This really ticks the boxes on what we should be looking for from a tech company. It's a tech company, so they should be able to serve us very, very quick, especially if you bought them online. Since they have local operations, I would assume that it'll be very easy to return this just in case there's a problem out of the box. Anyway, here's the box. Wow, they included a collection receipt and a pro forma invoice and a good thank you card purchase. So here's the content of the box. I hope you guys also took advantage of all the pre-order discounts and freebies, because for these 4 items plus the Samsung Care Plus service, I was able to save almost around 30% from its SRP. And also, I hope you're taking advantage of your credit card's promo. I also will be getting Shopback for this purchase because I purchased from Samsung.com online. To get a Shopback cashback, don't forget to click the link in my description box to get 100 peso Shopback on your next purchase. Anyway, so here are the items that I bought. Here is the Samsung S24 Ultra. If you buy it online, you get access to the online exclusive colors. So I opted to buy titanium blue. I also got 30% discount in the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic purchase. So I'm ready to replace my Apple Watch Ultra with this one. I got a free case for this one. You cannot choose which color you will get, so they will assign whatever color they have available for you. And finally, there's also a free sport band for the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. You also get a random color, so you cannot choose which color you can get. Let's unbox the Galaxy Watch Classic 6, or Watch 6 Classic. Yeah, Watch 6 Classic. Okay. Here you go. Okay, that's it. That was very quick. A very quick unboxing. So you got a watch. You got this items inside. Can't seem to get them out. Okay, yeah. Here, there's a box inside. And what do you have here? A quick start guide. Okay, you get the charger too. Okay, that's it. You also get the charger. There. A USB-C one. I didn't know that the charger for Galaxy Watch is similar to Apple Watch. Anyway, and then here's the watch. Wow, it looks nice, no? It's actually quite heavy. I like it. I'm gonna put it on beside my Apple Watch Ultra. Okay, there you go. I'll probably turn it on later because I want to be able to. Yeah, it's good, huh? Yes, you want to see here. Look, you're also excited. Yeah. Raven is very excited also with my haul. And here's the watch band. It's hard. I'm very ready to transition outside the Apple ecosystem. So I hope I'm happy with my decision. I hope this decision is a good one. Oh, okay. Oh, it's nice, huh? Here's the, so here's the strap. It's a sport band. And then finally, let's go to the phone. Anyways, it's very thin. Let's open it. This one. Here. Oh, okay. So let's set the phone. Oh, it's nice, huh? Okay, it's nice. I like the titanium blue color. And then you have this box inside. Let's set it aside. And what do we have inside? You get the Samsung Care Plus. So I have this. Yeah, some paper, the USB-C charger, the ejector pin. Oh, that's it. Okay. You know, gone are the days of fun unboxing. You know that because everything is just environment friendly. At least that's what they want to be. But even the box is so thin, no? And it goes all the way in if you don't put this inside. So anyways, let's set that aside. And here's the phone. We go to that in a bit. Let's unbox first the case, the silicone case. Okay, let's open this. Ooh. Oh. Nice. It's purple and it's big. It's very big. It's a silicone case. This one is for free. Okay. Yeah, this one is for free. Wow. It's a lot of heft. Oh, nice, huh? I like it. But before we put, so did I see some scratches here? No, so far no. But I think this one will be very easily scratched. Let's go to the main one. Wow, the color is very nice. It's titanium blue. I'm happy that I chose this color. And with this case, obviously, you're not gonna see it. Wow, it's a nice phone. And the colors, wow. On the side, so nice. Wow. And the S Pen, look. It's also very nice, but it's very small. Actually, I don't like using the S Pen. Wow. The color is very nice. The case. Wow, it's so nice. And then finally, wow, look. Hey, Raven, look at my new phone. You want to play with the ball? Okay, here. Oh, it's so nice. I love it. This is very nice. Anyways, that's it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. And I hope you also got your pre-ordered Samsung S24 Ultra. Don't forget to get all the discounts from Samsung, from your pre-order sign-up, from your credit card, and most importantly, from Shopback. So if you want to get your Shopback account, if you don't have, just click the link in the description box and get an instant 100 peso cash back. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!